guys, so today I'm going to show you on how to solve this error of Unicode Decode Error in a CSV file. Basically, as I was reading a CSV file, this is the code that printed. I can show you my code on the text editor, how I was reading it. So Unicode Decode Error happens maybe because it happens depending on the encoding that was used on the file. Basically, most of the character encoding by default, the most basically used one is the UTF. But now we need, when you get an error of Unicode decode error, I'm gonna show you how right now how we do that on how to resolve that error. So basically, you can now try to get the character encoding that was used on our file so that you can define an attribute on the read CSV on the encoding used. So basically, let's just comment this so that we can see the character encoding that was used on our file. So you're supposed to import a package or a library, a package or a module by the name chardet. So this is the module you are going to use. So with that, what you do basically do is you open the file. You can use the with open. So basically here we're just going to get the character encoding used. So Oscars, because that's the file we are using, CSV. So we are reading the binary. I'm going to use this as raw data. So let's get, so the result would be charted the module dot. We're going to get the method detect. So we are going to detect the encoding used. Now with the raw data, so we are going to read. So let's print the result. Let's print the result. Get the encoding used. So we are going to open the file as a read binary. Then we are defining as a raw data. So we're going to use the module charted. Now you use the method detect to detect the character encoding use. So it's basically going to return a dictionary with the encoding, the confidence, and the language. So let's print that. Yeah, as you can see, this is the encoding that was used on our file. So because as I had stated on the start of the video, the most basically used is a utf-8. But now you can see, now the error you are getting here, UTF can't decode bytes because it used ISO where encoding the character. So that's why that the Unicode decoding error were corrected. Because by default the most used one is UTF-8. So when UTF-8 was used on our file, it wasn't able to solve that. So that's why they were correcting. So we are going to, let's just even copy paste. We're going to get the attribute encoding and paste it on this one, on the read CSV, and see whether, let's see whether our problem will be solved. So let's run this. Oh, but it's supposed to be equals. Again, it's not supposed to be like that. So let's see. Nameless is sorry. Come on. I'm printing the data frame. Yeah, as you can see, our problem was solved on the Unicode decode error, and that's how you resolve the Unicode decode error on a CSV file. Thank you, guys.